Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the goods and service tax of class 10 of your mathematics chapter. So first see the question. A manufacturer buys raw material worth rupees 7,500 paying GST at the rate of 5%. He sells the finished product to a dealer at 40% profit. If the purchase and the sale both are interest rate and the rate of GST for the finished product is 12%, then we have to find out number 1, the input tax under GST paid by the manufacturer, the output tax under GST collected by the manufacturer, the tax under GST paid by the manufacturer to the central and the state government, and the amount paid by the dealer for the finished product. Now let's see the first part of the question, that is the input tax under GST paid by the manufacturer. How you are going to solve the problem. See, as all the sales are interest rate and the rate of GST is 5% and 12%. So the GST comprises of what? CGST at 2.5% and 6% and SGST at 2.5% and 6%. So the CP of the raw material for the manufacturer will be 7,500 and the rate of GST will be 8%. So the input GST will be equal to the input SGST, which is equal to 2.5% of 7,500, which is equal to what? 5 by 100 into 7,500, which is equal to 187.50. Here what happened? Here the input GST and the input SGST by the manufacturer will be rupees 180.50 each. Next solution of the part 2 solution, that is mark price of the raw material is what? 4,500. Here the profit is what? Profit is 40% and SP of the finished product will be what? 1 plus 40 by 100 of 7,500. So the answer will be 140 by 100 into 7,500, which is equal to 10,500. Here the rate of GST charge is 12%. So the output of GST will be equal to the output of SGST, which is equal to 6% of 10,500. That is 6 by 100 into 10,500, which is equal to 630. So here the CGST and output SGST collected by the manufacturer will be rupees 630 each. Next, go to the third part of the question. Third part of the question is the tax under GST paid by the manufacturer to the central and the state government. So how you are going to do it? See. So the new GST paid by the manufacturer will be output CGST equal to input CGST. Output CGST will minus input CGST, which is equal to 630 minus 187.50, which is equal to 442. Last part of the question, that is number 4. Number 4 is the amount paid by the dealer for the finished product. That means here the net CGST paid by the manufacturer will be equal to output SGST minus input SGST, which is equal to 630 minus 187, which is equal to 442.50. And the total amount paid by the dealer for the finished good will be SP of the finished good plus CGST plus SGST, which is equal to 10,500 plus 630 which is equal to 11,760. So this is the end of the question. So we'll meet you in the next part of the video.